Imagine having a multi-tool, but it's a part of you. Meet the elephant and its versatile trunk. This muscular, flexible appendage serves as a long arm, a handy straw, and even an expressive handshake. From siphoning gallons of water, picking up a tiny acorn to engaging in trunk-twining greetings with their buddies, elephants truly showcase the marvel of nature's design. But with great power comes great hilarity. Ever see an elephant unintentionally give itself a mud shower? Or perhaps spray an unsuspecting friend during a friendly tussle? It's a sight that'll tickle your funny bone for sure. So next time you see an elephant, remember that trunk isn't just for show. It's a powerful tool, a social instrument, and a source of some pretty funny mishaps. Nature is not just about survival, it's about living with a dash of humor too.